Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol PLTR. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. Well, it's a pretty crazy chart when you really stop and think about, this trend line here that I'm about to put into place, just how steep that trend line is. I mean, look at that trend line. It's almost straight down, yet it just shows how the price has never been able to get up above it, which shows just how much selling pressure is currently out there right now. Let me make very clear, I'm not saying that this selling pressure can never be overcome or be defeated or anything like that. I'm just saying that at this moment in time, headed into the weekend, you can't refute the fact that there is just, almost straight down selling pressure. So it's one of these situations where you got to think that if the price can get above that level, and now I'm not saying it's going to shoot back up to $40, but you got to think that a high volume break of that trend line right there could create a very respectable move, to the upwards direction. But before you really talk about anything bullish or anything moving in the upwards direction, the price has first got to prove itself by, getting up above and staying up above that red line right there. So definitely keep a very close eye on that resistance trend line, as that is, without doubt, that massive thorn in the side of the chart right now. If the price can actually get up through that level, then the next area of resistance I'd be very curious about in terms of how does the price behave around is right up there around 32.50. In fact, I'm just going to get rid of that line there. It's served its purpose just to, illustrate the downwards pressure. But if there is any sort of type of bounce, like I said, 32.50 going to be an interesting area of resistance. As far as levels of support are concerned, the price is definitely now starting to get down into some very interesting territory. You have an area at 31, and then 31 is followed by that level down there at $30.50. And 30.50 is pretty crazy, because if that level doesn't hold up, then that would be all of a sudden putting the price into this big old no man's land. That would put it into levels that have not been seen for several weeks. So overall, yeah, crazy downtrend here. A lot of selling pressure out there, but we'll see if the price can get things turned around or not next week. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up, as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.